everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In last lecture we have learned about click method. In today's lecture we are going to learn about different selectors. Here in this page we have three content: left, center and right content. Okay, we want that when we click a button, a div, a paragraph is selected or perform some action on that. To select that, if we want to select the left one or the div first element, then we just need to write $. If we want to select any div, then simply write div, and if we write first, then it will select the first div of page, that is, and perform a hide operation. First div means we have here 1, 2, 3 and 4, so it will select the first div, this one. Okay, and we have performed hide operation on this one, so the left one is hidden. Let's see what happens. Now refresh it and click it. Here you can see that left content is hidden. Okay, in the same way we can also perform for the last. Just write last. In this, last is our button, last div is our button code. Okay, so what happened when we click on the button itself will be hidden. Let's try it. See, here you can see that the button is hidden because that's the last div. Now see more, let's comment it, it's for your notes. Okay, if we want that only limited number of div is selected and rest is unselected. Okay, if I want that left and right is not hidden but the center is hidden, then write $div : not. These are in this block. We will write those IDs which we don't want to perform any action on that. For that, start braces, hashtag test. We want to hide, don't want to hide the button, but we want to hide and we want to leave the last one. Okay, and perform hide operation. In this, the test ID is of button, so the button will not be hidden, and last means last is also same, so that the last is also not hidden. Last is the div itself, the button, except button, everything will be hidden. Now let's try. Like, see this. If we want to hide the left one, if we want to not hide the left one, then we write here just left. Okay, then the left is not hidden and everything else will be hidden. Here you can see that. Now comment it and let's talk something that how to hide this first paragraph of this div. For that we need to write the ID of that div, that is left. Okay, after that what we want to hide is a paragraph, so we write P, and which paragraph? That's the first one. Okay, first, and what we want to perform? Hide operation. For that write this and save this and just refresh, and here you can see that the first paragraph is hidden. Now I am going to refresh it and again click enter on this. Now here you can see that the first paragraph is hidden. That's it. Let's meet in the next lecture with more selectors. Thank you.